Question: is it permissible for a woman who is a widow, divorcee, or has finished her temporary marriage to be married to someone else? It is definitely allowed, but before that, she should wait and complete the period of Iddah. This waiting period is compulsory after the death of the husband, or after divorce, or after the temporary marriage ends. In general, the Iddah or the waiting period is described like this. For a divorcee, it is a period of 3 menstrual cycles. In some instances, the Iddah can be 3 months. The Iddah for a pregnant woman ends when she gives birth, or God forbids, when she has a miscarriage. The Iddah for a widow is 4 months and 10 days, but if she was pregnant, it is compulsory on her to perform the waiting period of the widow and that of pregnancy. And the Iddah for a temporary marriage is 2 menstrual cycles if her cycle is normal, and generally 45 days is for special instances.